Welcome guys. So today we are going to take the car for passing, and for passing we need to do some little work like the back and the front tire to be replaced with a new one which we have got. Put the stickers which I have printed on either side of the car over here. There are two stickers, and then there is a reflective tape which is going to come over here. So we are going to put the sticker here. So one side the sticker has been applied, let's do it on the other side. So now the stickers have been put. Let's take the car onto the tow truck which is coming. So let's start the car. Self start. So the car has been taken for extreme steam wash before the passing. After the washing, the car will be taken for all 4 tire change. So let's see whether the car gets passed or not in Dubai RTA test. The car looks pristine and clean. Here a little bit is remaining. The car has been parked for tire change at Auto Pro. In the evening, inshallah, the car will be taken for passing at Tashjil over here, and hopefully the car is passed. So the number plate bulb is fused, we need to change it. So right now I have bought the car for passing, but unfortunately the rear number plate light, same as the Hyundai i10, is not working. We have replaced the bulbs, but I think the fuse has gone bad and I don't have my multimeter here. Let's take the car for passing as Tashjil. Here number plate light is not working. I don't know how the passing will go. Let's check and hope that they pass the car. The second reason they pointed out is there is no fire extinguisher, but in the car there is a fire extinguisher present that I have to show them. Okay. After that they pointed out there is no first aid kit. Yeah, that is there. First aid kit is not there. The third point that they require is there is no battery bracket, which we have to order new or get it from Sajja, from the used car market. So yesterday we took the car for passing, but unfortunately it didn't pass the RTA test because of 4 minor reasons. The first includes they found that there was no fire extinguisher, but there is present one. Then they pointed out that the license number plate light is not working, so we have to rectify it. After that they mentioned was that they didn't find a safety triangle, so here it is, and first aid kit that I need to get one as of now. For now, let us see if any blown fuse are present for the number plate light. So here is a new multimeter from Gazelle. Now we will set the parameter on continuity. So this is a new multimeter from Gazelle. So we will set the parameter on continuity, and both the probes are connected. So let's check the fuses one by one. If they are fused, if they are not connected to each other, then we won't have a beeping sound like this. So let's check. Checked all the fuses up here, but all are good. So we need to rectify the number plate light issue. If you see, there is no wire coming from the tail gate to this area where all of the connection from the tail light are going for the number plate light. It's basically a parking light, so we have to route a wire from here till here up until there, and for the reason I bought some wires, some tape, and we need to remove the shroud. So if you see, there are two bulbs, 1 and 2. I think the wires, let's see where are the wires running. This. So the wire over here is terminating. So we need to tap a wire from here and here, running up till here to the tail light. Now let's remove the tail light and connect this wire to the tail light. So now we will check to which point does the electric voltage comes for parking light. So we have found the connection, the black and the brown wire. You can see the number plate light is working. Now let's thoroughly do the connection and get on with it. So now if you can see, I have spliced up two wires. One is the negative, one is the positive, which is connected to the tail light from the coupler. So let's connect the black wire to the black and the red wire to the pink and get a connection to the number plate light. If you can see, the light lens is dirty, but the bulb is glowing. That one also. So we're going to clean the bulb lens with some WD-40. You would say this is a jugaad. This thing which I did is a jugaad, but this is just for the passing sake. After the passing, everything, these wires will be restored back to its original, so that the door lock also is operational and also the wiper blade is. So let's now clean this up and fix it back, and then get it ready for inspection back again, so the car gets passed in Dubai RTA. Now the last point remaining is there is a battery bracket from here which is missing, and I don't have the one, so I will remove it off from my Hyundai i10 for now and fix it for passing. So this is the board here. Oh no. Okay. So now the battery clamp has been installed and car has been ready to be again taken for passing. The final inspection. Only one thing is missing, the first aid kit, which will be put by me when we take it to the passing. This is the first aid kit for the Starex van for passing. So let's go and get on with the passing. So let's put the first aid kit inside the car. So this is some lower arm bush suspension mount for this car. It has some issue with the front suspension. We'll get it sorted in the upcoming videos. For now, let's give the first aid kit over here. And it's not closing. It won't close. So let it be here. Now let's go and get on with passing. The passing for the car has been completed, and our Starex has been officially been passed by RTA. So now many other repair and modification and conversions are going to come onto this van, converting it into a mobile workshop. So continue watching what's coming up next. Peace.